Hi, it's Kelsey Davis, and in this video on assessment for English language learners, I hope to talk to you a little bit about the ACCESS test. As a mainstream classroom teacher, the English language learners in your classroom are given the ACCESS test annually, and you are provided with their scores. However, it's very likely that you're not really sure what the ACCESS test is or what to do with the information you receive, and so in this video, I hope to break that down for you just a little bit. First, the acronym ACCESS stands for Assessing Comprehension and Communication in English State to State. It's a test produced by WIDA and given to English language learners annually. There are 5 English language development standards, and the test assesses students on each of these standards. The first one being social and instructional language, and then the language of language arts, the language of mathematics, the language of science, and the language of social studies. Depending on the student's grade level, there are different forms of the ACCESS test. There's a form for kindergarten, then grades 1 through 2, grades 3 through 5, grades 6 through 8, and then grades 9 through 12. There are also 3 different versions of the test depending on students' current proficiency with the English language. The test, in addition to assessing students on the 5 English language development standards, also assesses students in the 4 language domains. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The test is basically given for 3 main reasons. First, it's an easy way for states to report to the federal government the growth and progress of the English language learners of their state. It's also a way for districts to assess the effectiveness of their ESL programs and make decisions and programming changes if necessary. And then finally, the ACCESS test provides classroom teachers with scores that can be used to help inform their instruction. So as a classroom teacher, you're given a report or a form that kind of breaks down for you your student scores in each of the 4 language domains. Your student also will receive a composite score. So you will be getting a number 1 through 6 depending on students' performance in the test. 1 is the lowest score possible, and it is what's called the entering stage. Students can receive scores of 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 6. 6 is the highest stage called reaching. Again, they are assessed in the 4 language domains, so you will receive a score for your students listening, speaking, reading, and writing. There are also several different composite scores that you receive and then an overall composite. In the next video, I'll teach you a little bit about how you can use these scores to help inform your instruction. But that's it for now on the ACCESS test.